my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and guys, I have not been in front of this camera in a long time, so I am back. I am gonna start uploading more videos. I know I started slowing down just because there was a lot of things going on and I just couldn't film, so all the videos that we're uploading were pretty much pre-recorded from a month ago. So yeah, I am back and I'm gonna start filming new videos for you guys, so I hope you guys are excited. And I also want to let you guys know that my TJ Maxx giveaway is still open, just because when I was going through a lot, I really wasn't checking the comments, but I did check the comments, and some of you guys are just subscribing to my channel and that's it. But you also want to get an extra entering by following me on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on Instagram to get that extra entering. I'm gonna give it one more week, and then next week I will be announcing the winner for the giveaway. So I just want to let you guys know a little update on that. So today's video is gonna be an unboxing. I have a BoxyCharm that I have not opened it. I opened it, yes, to see what I had, but I really haven't looked in the box, so I'm excited to look in there. And then I also got this package from a company called IQ Natural Mineral Makeup. So all the mineral makeup is powder, so I'm so excited to even try these products. So I'm excited to open this up and show you guys what makeup they send me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys are excited to see what I got in my boxes, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so let's first start off with a BoxyCharm. I did receive this box a few weeks ago. Like I said, guys, I was not in the mood, I wasn't feeling it, just a lot of things going on, so I really didn't dabble into the box, but I did open it to see what I got, and these products are awesome. So the first thing I did get was this eyeliner. Now I did get an eyeliner from this company, Bodyography, if I'm not mistaken, and this is Bale Bronze. I did not like their eyeliners just because they are not pigmented and it takes a long time for the pigment to come out, so I'm not a fan of these eyeliners at all. But it's nice to have another eyeliner. I just don't like that brand in particular because it's just not that pigmented, so I did not like the eyeliner. But I do have more stuff, and then I also have this holographic lip gloss. It looks like this. I'm not a fan of holographic stuff, but maybe for the summertime, I think this would be so cute with a nice nude lip and then have this glitter all over it. I think it would be cute, so I don't know, I'm still thinking about that. And then next I have is the brushes. These are the Luxie Summer Days brush set. I love me some brushes. I love to get brushes in my BoxyCharm. It just adds to my collection because a lot of my brushes are pretty old, so I need some new ones, but I always love to get new ones. So I have the large shader brush, the small shader brush, and then I also have the small contour brush. I think this will be so good for contour. I like the shape of it. Very nice. I absolutely cannot wait to try these brushes out. I'm so excited. And then next I do have this Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder. I don't have anything from Artist Couture, so I'm excited to try this out. I've never tried any of his products, anything. And this is in the shade Purple Dream. This looks so pretty. Oh my god, this looks so gorgeous. I cannot wait to put this on my skin because I've heard that his highlights are very beautiful and very beaming. So I am excited to try this out and give it a try. My first time trying that out, so I'm excited. And then the last thing that I have in my box is this palette. This is so pretty. This is the Pure Festival Palette 12-piece pressed pigment palette. This looks gorgeous. I'm telling you, they're coming out with a lot of cute stuff for the little boxes now. I'm excited. Okay, I gotta get something to open this. So let's open this up. Oh yeah, this is pretty. I love it. Like, I love all the shades here. Like, I'm just loving it. The pink is beautiful for a nice like inner corner pop of color. Like, I'm loving the inner corner pop of color. Like, that has been my go-to for the last, you know, few weeks when I was wearing makeup. I love to do the pop of color. Like, that's just my absolute favorite. So yeah, I can't wait to play with this and all the other stuff that I got in my BoxyCharm. So let's move on to IQ Naturals. Now, they did reach out to me on Instagram and asked me if I wanted to try their makeup, and I said yes, why not? Like, I love anything natural, anything that is like vegan, paraben free, all that stuff. Like, I love all of that, and they are all natural brand. So I'm so excited to go and dibble into this palette. So they did send me a let us know what you think card, so I will definitely let them know. So they sent me a very good package. Look at this, guys, very nice. And then they also send me, this is a collagen boost, rose and vitamin E. Ooh, I love this. This is a serum. I love this. It says cleanse the skin thoroughly and then apply collagen boost serum over entire face and neck. Allow to dry. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. Like, I love this. I've been feeling like my skin has been very dry. Well, my skin is already dry, but I feel like it's more dry lately. Like, it just drives me nuts. I'm telling you guys, it just, dry skin is not fun. So I definitely want to give this a try and let them know how good this is, because I love serums and they are so nice. Okay, so they sent me a lot of stuff in here. Like, look at this, very nice. And they sent me brushes. Like, I am excited. I love brushes, like I said. Oh my god, they don't really have names. It just says BS small, but you know, you could figure out what you want to use for this, for like blush or applying foundation. Like, I'm excited. I can't wait to try those out. And then I also got a spray. This is a flawless setting primer minimal makeup base coat. It has Olay and coconut oil. Oh my god. This says use 2 to 3 pumps of flawless primer all over your entire face. Create a smooth finish, allowed to soak in 2 minutes before apply loose mineral makeup. So you apply this before you apply the makeup. So all the makeup is powder form. So that is what's cool about them, because they're all natural. Everything's powder. So let's go ahead and open this up, let you guys know how it is. And they even give you the instructions on how to use it, which is awesome, because this is gonna be like my first time ever like trying like full-on face products with like only powder. Like, this is all powder, I'm telling you guys, all powder. So they first sent me a loose mineral foundation in medium beige. Okay, that is nice. So they gave me a medium beige color. Awesome. And then they also sent me a mineral, okay, so they sent me 2 foundations. So they sent me a loose mineral foundation in the shade tan. So this is a little bit darker. Let me just show you how it is. It's just a powder form. So you just apply it with the brush. I'm thinking the brushes are going to be the best way to apply these. So I'm excited to try that. And then another big one here is a matte finishing powder and setting veil. Okay, this is clear. Like, I mean, not clear, but white. And I'm not a fan of super white setting powders, just because I'm afraid they'll give you like flashback, and they're not like my favorite. So we'll see how that works. So they also sent a mineral blush. Okay, this is a blush. This is cute. This is so my shade. Like, I love a nice beautiful mauve shade, so this will definitely be a very nice shade to apply. I'm excited for that. And then they also sent me a mineral concealer. What? I've never ever seen a powder concealer. This is gonna be so cool. I'm telling you guys, if you guys want to see me try out these products on camera, let me know, because I'll film it for you guys. I'll give you guys my first impression. I never knew that you can have a mineral concealer. Like, what? That is so crazy. So they did send, I think this is a bronzer, and then they also sent, okay, so they sent 2 eyeshadows and a bronzer. So this is the bronzer right here, which I think it's gonna be a perfect shade. It's not too deep. I think it's gonna look very, very nice. So I'm excited to try that. And then they also did send 2 eyeshadows. So this is a mineral eyeshadow in Autumn Spice. Oh, this one looks pretty. It has a beautiful like orangey terracotta shade. I know you guys are not gonna be able to see it too well, but it's a very beautiful terracotta shade. And then this one is in the shade Tan. It's an eyeshadow too, and this is like more of a bronzy gold shade. Very beautiful. I cannot wait to try these products, guys. Like, I am so intrigued by all these powders, and having like powder foundation I've tried, but concealer I have never tried. So I'm so curious on how these products are gonna apply. And now that I know they have directions on how to apply it, I am definitely gonna follow the directions, and I'm gonna let you guys know. If you guys want to see me trying out these powders on camera and showing you guys, let me know down below, and I will definitely film it, because I'm excited to try all of these products. So that is it for my unboxing. I have 2 boxes that I'm super excited to try out the products. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am back in full force, more videos, more things for you guys to see, so I'm so excited for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. I will end it next week, so don't forget about that. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.